Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves versatile styling tools that save time and give you flawless results, you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a close look at the Elle 4-in-1 Hairstyler Set, a tool that promises to tackle multiple hairstyles with just one device. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Elle 4-in-1 Hairstyler Set comes with 4 interchangeable attachments, offering you a variety of styling options: curling, waving, straightening, and crimping, all in one tool. It's a game changer for those who want professional quality styling without the mess of multiple tools. The ceramic and tourmaline technology ensures even heat distribution, reducing frizz and leaving your hair smooth and shiny. But does it really deliver on those promises? Let's dive in. This multifunctional styling tool has been designed with the busy person in mind. The quick heat up feature ensures you're not waiting around to get started, which is a bonus for those rushed mornings or last-minute events. As someone who values efficiency, I was impressed with how quickly it heated up, saving me precious time when styling. I've tested this tool under several different conditions: morning rush, an evening out, and even after a long day of work. Each attachment performed surprisingly well. The straightener attachment glided through my hair, giving me that sleek, polished look in no time. I was equally impressed with the wave attachment. It added a soft, natural-looking wave without any frizz, which is a big plus for me. The crimper attachment provided some fun texture, and the curl attachment created bouncy, voluminous curls that held up well. As for the feel of the tool itself, it's surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for long styling sessions. The compact design also makes it perfect for travel, and I'm already imagining how handy it will be when I'm on the go. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility of this tool is its biggest strength. If you're someone who likes to mix up their styles, this is a great way to do it with minimal storage space. The ceramic and tourmaline technology also ensures that my hair wasn't left feeling dry or damaged, even after multiple uses. The heat-up time is another huge plus. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the attachments are easy to swap out, I did find that they require a little bit of a learning curve to get the exact look you're going for. You might need a few practice runs to perfect your technique with each attachment. Also, the temperature control could be a bit more precise for those who like to have more control over their styling. As for value, this tool is priced in a way that makes it more affordable than purchasing separate tools for curling, straightening, and waving. Given the versatility and solid performance, I think it offers a fair value for money, especially for people who are short on space or time. However, if you're someone who already has specialized tools for each function, you might not find the same level of customization here. When comparing it to other multifunctional styling tools on the market, Elle's 4-in-1 Hairstyler Set stands out for its ease of use and quick heat-up time. Other tools at a similar price point often fall short when it comes to delivering long-lasting results or versatility, but this one holds up well across all functions. In terms of build quality, the tool feels solid in your hand, and the attachments fit securely. The materials are durable, and even with regular use, it doesn't show signs of wear and tear. Plus, the lightweight design means it's comfortable to use for extended periods. If you're looking for a tool that can handle multiple styling needs, and you're okay with a little trial and error, this tool is a great option. I'd recommend it to anyone who needs a quick, reliable styling tool for busy mornings or travel, especially if you're someone who likes to switch up their look without the hassle of carrying multiple tools. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.